Hello guys, today I show you how to create a WeChat account. So first of all I go to my WeChat. First of all I go to my WeChat account here. Then I go to contact. Then click plus button. Then I click the new set and I select my group member name here. Then create a group. You can see the group. Okay, this is a group, only 3 peoples. So thank you for watching. I think it's very helpful for you. Then create a name, group name here. The group name is big data. Press done. The group name is big data. So thank you for watching.